Hi, my name is Lorianne. Today I'm going to prepare a sweet and sour fish with Sopropo. I think that is bittermelon in English. So enjoy. This is the Sopropo. When you cut it open, you see this. It has seeds on the inside. So you have to take those seeds out and you can blend those seeds when they're dry. So this is the Sopropo. I cut it. It's a better green, so I will have to put some sugar on it. Ginger. I love my sauce spicy. You need onions, you need garlic, and you need lemon. So this is the fried fish, and here we have the ingredients, which I'll prepare the sweet and sour sauce with. I'm trying to grow my own vegetables, so I think you see that plant there, that green one. We call it Sopropo. We call the fruit of it Sopropo, so that's what I'm going to prepare with the sweet and sour fish today. I'm going to add a bit of the ingredient I told you about. And add some water. So this is my food, my plate. I'm sitting outside. I'm going to have my food. I put some fresh fruit on the side, fried fish, and the one that I put in the sauce, the bittermelon, Sopropo. My name is Lorianne, and I hope you guys enjoy the video as much as I'm going to enjoy my food. Bon appetit!